My human is the bestest. I just love him so much. How can you not love an adorable face like this? He knows just where to pet me under my collar and behind my ears. Like all humans, he is very tall and he smells like fried foods, which human number 2 tells him he shouldn't eat because they're bad for his heart. She also tells him to get more exercise. So, I do my best to encourage him to go for walks and throw the ball. Understand, this is purely medicinal as I have no interest in these things. Okay, maybe I have a little. All right, I absolutely love it. Anyway, as I was saying, I've noticed that when he throws the ball, it goes high into the sky and then falls back to the ground. It goes up and down. The stock market is similar with one big difference. It goes up and it goes down too. But here's the thing, while the market goes down for short periods of time, it really likes to go up. And if you're willing to be patient, it tends to keep going up. For example, an index fund's 1 month chart may look like this. But for the year, the same fund may look like this. It would be like a ball that keeps floating higher and higher into the sky with each bounce. Big dogs know this and invest for the long term. They don't get scared because the market dips. In fact, that's when the big dogs invest to buy more shares. So sit, stay, and let's learn more investing tricks. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!